Perception means the way a person understands, sees, or thinks about something. In simple words, perception equals how you see or understand something. What does perception mean in daily life? Perception is formed by what we see, what we hear, our experiences, our beliefs. Different people can have different perceptions of the same thing. Very easy examples. My perception of the movie was positive. People have different perceptions about success. More simple sentences. Perception changes with experience. Good behavior improves perception. First impression affects perception. Daily life situations. Students may have different perceptions of a teacher. Customers form perception from advertisements. News shapes public perception. Student-friendly sentence. My perception of math changed after practice. Important point to remember. Perception is personal. It can be right or wrong. Easy memory tip. Perception equals way of understanding.